Hey there, folks. If you're tired of making trips to the bank just to deposit a check, you're going to love this tutorial on how to deposit a check using Cash App. It's quick, convenient, and can be done right from your phone. Whether you're a busy professional or just someone who prefers digital banking, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. First things first, make sure you have the Cash App downloaded on your smartphone and that your bank account is linked. It's essential for smooth transactions. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Cash App on your device. You'll see the familiar green icon. Tap it to launch the app. Once you're in, look for the Banking tab at the bottom of the screen. It's usually represented by a little bank building icon. Tap on that to access your banking options. Next up, Step 2. In the Banking section, scroll down until you find the option that says Deposit Check. This is where the magic happens. Tap on it, and the app will prompt you to take photos of your check. Make sure your check is in a well-lit area for the clearest images. Think natural light if possible. Step 3. Now, carefully position your check on a flat surface. The app will guide you to take a photo of the front first. Hold your phone steady, align the check within the frame, and snap the picture. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect at first, you can retake it. Then, flip the check over and take a photo of the back, making sure your signature is visible as per the instructions. Once you've got those photos uploaded, Step 4. Review the details. The app will show you a preview of the check amount, payee, and other info. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. It's easy to miss a digit. If all looks good, hit the Confirm button to submit your deposit. Finally, Step 5. Sit back and wait. Cash App will process your deposit, and you'll get a notification once it's approved. It usually takes 1 to 2 business days, but keep an eye on your account balance. And remember, always endorse your check before depositing by signing the back. There you have it. That's how you deposit a check on Cash App. It's a game changer for managing your money on the go. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.